Okay, we're recording.
Jump.
Hurry, jump quick!
Get up, you big turnip! He just put his teeth on me.
He did? Where? Are you alright? You okay?
You big stinker!
Did she hurt you? Let me see. Where did she put her teeth? Lady, you take it easy. You alright? Here we are in our movie.
Oh, Kate!
You alright?
That one doesn't work so good, does it?
I don't know, does it?
No. Now we're going down that one.
Oh, I think we're gonna fall out of that one.
No, we won't. Don't worry, Angela.
Here?
Yeah. We'll go back her up a little.
Yeah, we do gotta back it up a little. We're gonna take off. You guys get out of here. You're too rough.
We're gonna go wait for the dooryard.
Alright. I don't know.
No, we got
Lady, get out of here. Well, that wasn't... Well, it took off when I got on. Yeah, you hop on. I'll hold it for you. I don't think we can get on this steep one at the same time. Lady!